Winstar Casino, 21707. You walk in the door. That's not a closet. I thought it was. But you walk in the door, full-length mirror, beds. This is what they had. 2 twin, clock, alarm clock, chair, lamp, chair. Here's our view to the outside. Oh, we got a view of the pool. There you go. And pool with the waterfall. Parking lot. This place is growing tremendously. We've got a desk with a phone, lamp with outlet, telephone, Gary, TV, drawers, and safe. Oh, it looks like a microwave. And a refrigerator, which I'm trying to open it the wrong way. Oh, there it goes. Refrigerator. Coffee. Ice bucket. TV remote. So yeah, nice room. And then we come in here to the restroom. Got a sink. Of course, they provide your shampoos, washcloths, towels, tissues, nice shower. Bars to hold on to, and of course you've got your toilet. So yeah, nice room at Winstar World Casino. Hopefully we win this evening. We'll let you know.